guys, welcome to ABC Shoes. Welcome to JTP House, where we teach everything that concerns shoemaking. So today I'll be going around my shop, my workshop to also get from my apprentices what they are doing so far in the shop. So I'll start from yeah, hello, good morning. So please, what are you doing? What are you trying to
Um,
do? Pattern?
yeah,
Okay, what type of pattern are you doing? What type of shoe are you trying to make?
loafers.
Okay, you're trying to make a local shoe. Alright, so why do you wrap the shoe up?
That's how to.
That's how it should be.
Uh,
Alright, so what is the name of this? What is the name? What are you holding on your hand?
that's
This is shoe. What size is this? Huh?
fine.
This is size 44, right? So what's your name?
Van down percent please.
Alright, so tell our viewers to subscribe to our channel.
Yeah,
Tell them
subscribe to this channel.
to subscribe to ABC Shoes.
ABC shoes.
Subscribe to ABC Shoes.
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright, alright, hello, fine lady. What's up? How you doing? Okay, so please, what are you trying to do?
Space to leave a pattern.
Okay. Pattern for
No, top pattern.
floor pattern
Yeah.
for what type of shoe?
New pumps.
Okay, female pumps. Can you try to show us the measurement? How can we get the measurement?
Start your measurement from 15.
Can you show us? Let's see. It's very practical stuff. So this is how to measure.
Get 15.
Okay. From 15 you said?
Yes.
So let's see. So you're measuring to measure from 15, then you get 38. Alright, thank you very much. What's your name? Tell our subscribers, our viewers to subscribe to our channel.
Continue subscribing to this channel.
Like and comment. Alright, go to the next person. So, hello. So, please, what are you trying to do?
What's now? Fiber.
Fiber? Okay, what type of shoe are you trying to make?
New pumps.
Female pumps.
Fiber.
Okay, this is fiber.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what's the use of fiber? What's the function of the fiber in a shoe?
It gives the shoe shape.
Okay, give it shape. And also, what's any other function do you know?
And
Okay. It makes the shoe firm, alright. Give it rigidity, alright. So thank you very much. What's your name? But now tell our subscribers something.
subscribe to ABC and watch.
And watch, like, and comment. Thank you. So go to the next man here. Hello, bro. What's up? So what's your name? Josh Para. So what are you trying to do?
It's new pumps.
Okay.
Use the fiber and use the business.
Okay.
Make both of them together.
Okay.
Like husband and wife.
Husband. Alright. Keep working. Tell our viewers.
Keep subscribing to ABC shoes.
Thank you very much. We move to the next man. Hello, bro.
Yeah.
What's up? So what are you trying to do?
What up? Going to
What type of shoe is this?
yeah.
It's debut shoe.
Yeah.
So can you show us the two parts, two major parts of debut shoe?
From the cutter.
The bump and the quarter. Alright, thank you very much. What's the name?
ABcshoes.
Please tell us something. Tell our viewers something.
Ha. Where they patronize us.
Patronize,
Yeah.
subscribe, and like, and share. Alright, thank you. The next person here. Hello, bro. Yeah. So what are you learning?
I'm learning from Agibo
Okay.
pattern.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what have you learned so far?
Okay, I've learned how to make packets to farm,
Okay.
also a quarter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chairman, what's up? So what are you learning? He's learning how to drop partner. Alright, thank you, Chairman. Tell our subscribers, tell our viewers to subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Alright, keep watching us, keep watching us. This is ABC Shoes, this is JTP House. Here we do everything that concerns shoes. Alright, so make sure you subscribe to our channel. Keep learning from us. Tell us where you're watching us from. God bless you. We love you. Alright, bye.